Hi guys, I'm a bit dark, sorry. This is my brassica cage where I'm going to be doing my no dig bed. So I'm literally going to take these weeds off the top. I've started already. I'm not bothered about little bits like this. It's going to be covered with some... do you know, I'm just going to get rid of my face there because you can't see me. It's going to be covered with compost and a bit of manure, and then it's going to have the black membrane over the top, and then I'm going to plant all my brassicas through that. So I'll get on with this and I'll show you the next stage. So that's 5 minutes, so I'll just spend another 5 minutes doing this other side, and then I tend to try and get as much of the bindweed out as I can, and the nettles. The rest of it, if you just flatten it down a little bit like that, it's fine. I mean, the green stuff, the weeds that are growing there, they've got a lot of the nutrients from the soil in, so if you can sort of get them to rot back down and put the nutrients back in the soil, then all good. So yeah, I'll just do this bit quick. Right, so you can see pretty much all the big weeds off. There's the odd one left here and there, but not too bothered about that. Got a little bits of bindweed over there, I'll just pull them out, and then I'll stick the next bit down and show you what I'm doing there. So guys, this is the some of the compost I'm using it. Henry's harvesting the worms at the moment. Say hi, Henry. Say hi, Henry. Henry, say hello.
Hi guys.
And look at there's these worms. He's going to go and just put those back in the bucket there, yep. So we can. So this is the compost. This is last year's. It's really nice. So I'm going to put some of that on the bed, and then I'll show you when I've raked it all out. Right. So that's the. All the compost spread out, so it's had a good layer on the top there. So what I'm going to do now, yeah, you can pull that out if you want, Henry. If you get any weeds caught to it, just pull them through, pull them out with the rake. That's it, good boy. That's it.
That snail.
Yeah, get the snail out, pick him out with your fingers. So yeah, so what we're going to do now is put the matting down, and then I'll show you what I'm planting there. It's a plant selection of club root vegetables from Dobbies. I ordered them back in February, I think it was, March, and they've just been, what is it, buddy? Snail. Throw it on that plot there, because no one's working that one. Yeah, good throw. Hi guys, and just realised that I haven't brought a pair of scissors down to cut the membrane, so the wife's just been dispatched to go and get a pair. Hi guys, and these are the plants we're planting. So this is how they arrive from Dobbies. I think most of the places they're the same, and the varieties here are there's a club root collection, 22 plants, 22 plug plants, and the variety I'm growing are cabbage Cordessa ×6, cauliflower Clapton, Brussels sprout Crispus, and broccoli Monclano. Guys, whether it's going to work or not, I'm not sure. I've literally stretched the membrane out and then cut through it and then dibbed the plants into the ground. They seem to be okay, so yeah, watch this space. And there you go. So like I said, if you like the channel, you want to see the progress of through the summer, please subscribe. You'll get a little notification when the new video goes on, so just tick the little box there that says subscribe, and I'll see you soon on Cookies Allotment Devon. Take care. Battery ran out on the camera, so I'm just going to show you quickly now the membrane down, and I've actually put the broccoli and cabbage and cauliflowers actually in now. So I'll just show you a picture of the my latest no dig bed. Whether it's going to work or not, I'm not sure. I've literally stretched the membrane out and then cut through it and then dibbed the plants into the ground. They seem to be okay, so yeah, watch this space. And there you go. So like I said, if you like the channel, you want to see the progress of through the summer, please subscribe. You'll get a little notification when the new video goes on, so just tick the little box there that says subscribe, and I'll see you soon on Cookies Allotment Devon. Take care.